The major challenge in hospitals is to continuously improve the quality of processes in all areas, today as well as tomorrow. Optimal use of space and timely supply of materials are absolute prerequisites for efficient operation. Servus offers turnkey logistics systems for automated and reliable hospital operations. All materials for elective cases are provided fully automatically. The surgical equipment required for emergencies is available in the shortest time possible. As a result, the medical staff can focus on the really important things. The hospital units are supplied with all required materials by autonomous robotic carriers called MedARC. The transports are carried out in a space-saving and silent manner, 365 days a year. The logistics system identifies where clean goods are needed or empty containers can be picked up. The modular and flexible Servus system can be expanded at any time. Additional processes such as OR logistics, CSSD, commercial kitchen, laundry center, patient departments, or even pharmacy can be easily integrated into the existing system as needs grow. The efficient, transparent, and safe hospital logistics. Curious? Visit us at servus.info or contact us personally.